Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Honda Pilot armrest cover. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need your new armrest cover, a flathead screwdriver, and a small Phillips head screwdriver. A trim removal tool is also highly recommended to protect your vehicle's interior. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient, ensuring a professional-looking result in just a few simple steps. Now, let's begin by carefully removing the old armrest cover. Use your trim removal tool or flathead screwdriver to gently pry off the small plastic trim piece located near the armrest hinge. Once that's off, you will see two Phillips head screws. Unscrew these completely. With the screws removed, you can now carefully slide the entire old armrest cover assembly off the armrest frame. Take your time to avoid any damage. With the old cover removed, it's time to install your brand new armrest cover. Carefully slide the new cover onto the armrest frame, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the contours. Once it's in place, reinsert the two Phillips head screws you removed earlier and tighten them firmly, but do not over-tighten. Finally, snap the plastic trim piece back into its original position until it clicks securely. You are almost done. To complete the process, perform a few final checks. Ensure your new armrest cover is securely attached and free of any wrinkles or misalignments. Test the armrest's full range of motion to confirm it operates smoothly without obstruction. This entire replacement process typically takes only about 15 to 20 minutes, making it a quick and satisfying DIY project. Enjoy your refreshed and comfortable Honda Pilot interior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.